Ouch. Twitter laughs off Duma Mnqobi's platinum announcement. Remember how we told y'all Duma Mnqobi of Generations, the legacy fame had taken a break from acting to take his music career to the next level, but Mzansi just wasn't feeling his music? Well, they still don't, but that's not the point of this article. We are here to tell you that despite all the hate that has been thrown at Duma for his alternative sounding music, he's soldiering on. And Duma has even gone and awarded himself a platinum status plaque. An account in the actor-turned-singer's name took to Twitter to announce the news. After 3 years this year we went platinum. Believe in your craft, he wrote as a caption to accompany a snap of something that looks like a plaque. Twitter wasn't here for the announcement, firstly because it's a lie. How do we know this? Well, South African artists gets gold or platinum certified through RISA. RIA is like the RISA of America, and according to their official website the last platinum certification they gave was on November 6 for Benny Blanco's single titled East Side, which features Halsey and Khalid. And so the Twitter gate crashing began. We don't think Duma was ever ready for the replies, or maybe he was. You never know fella these days with all these stunts.
Yeah.